everyone, I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to show you 3 different outfits with pencil skirts, and I'm going to show you how to do some DIY. And the first DIY is the easiest one. It's just with a cardigan and a bracelet. For the second DIY, I'm going to use a t-shirt and scissors. Turn the t-shirt to the back side and cut both sides up, and after, cut straight across. Turn the t-shirt to the front side and cut straight down the middle. And the t-shirt is ready to use. The last DIY is a bohemian bag. I'm going to use a t-shirt and scissors. Cut off the neckband, the sleeves, and the button seal. From the bottom up about 15 centimeters and 2 centimeters wide strips all the way across the width of the shirt. Pull each of the strips down. Tie the matching front and back strips together in double knots. Tie all. neck hole of the shirt into a deeper scoop. Cut the top of the shoulders so that you now have 4 straps to work with. Tie the left front shoulder to the right front shoulder. Do the same for the back. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.